back. So I am going to do my edges. Don't mind my hair. Do my edges. I have the Style Factor Edge Booster. It smells so good. I'm gonna take a little bit. And a little bit. This is a 1BTL 412 18-inch. Like this. Check it out. Package. Like this. Super cute. I have a comb in the front. 2 combs on the side and 1 comb at the nape, and then it has its headband well put together. That's how the hair looks. So yeah, let's pop this. Oh, it does have drawstring, adjustable string. Let's pop this bad boy on. It's definitely secure, not going nowhere. It don't move. It don't move. Yeah, that is it on my head. All my edges out. What? Super cute. Hey, I like this. This is super cute. Let me put a headband on. This is not sponsored. Bought this with own money. This is not sponsored, but I do want to sponsor. I do want you to sponsor me. So if you want to send me any wigs or anything, let me know. So yeah. I'm loving this color. Like, this color is super cute, and I'm just loving it. Up, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. Like girl, join the family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. We hit 200 subscribers, y'all. Yay! I'm super excited. I can't wait to hit like 500, then 1,000 subscribers. Then we about to be on our road to getting monetized, and that is the goal. Let's get monetized. And I'm just gonna start doing YouTube more. I am a wife. I do have a career. I am a mommy. So I have a lot going on, but I'm going to make YouTube a priority and start doing more videos. And I'm excited. I'm excited to be back in the flow of things. I just moved, so we're just getting used to everything. And my baby's going to daycare. Exciting news. He's doing good at daycare. So I'm having more time to do things I want to do, do my hair, do my makeup, review wigs, and just, do me. So, me and my husband just did a date night vlog at Fleming's. Super good. Go check that video out. We're going to be doing more date night vlogs, more foodie vlogs, and just mukbangs. So, we're going to do a Q&A couples edition mukbang coming up soon. So comment some questions you want to ask us down below about our relationship or how we met and things like that. Also, I want him to be in my channel some more, so I want him to join the family as well. So I'm going to be posting more videos with him. What else? That's about it. Yeah, I've just been busy, just, taking care of me, and I'm back and I'm better. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for the 200 subscribers. I really appreciate it. I'm really grateful for each and every one of you guys. So we on the road to 500 subscribers now. Then we gonna hit 1,000. We on our way. So yeah, get into these lashes. Oh my goodness, these are super cute. I did a review on this brand on my channel too. I have a video, the Bomb Extensions, and I love them. Super cute. So yeah, I did a little makeup look for this as well. I recorded that, and I recorded this hair review for you guys. I hope you guys like it and enjoy. I'm loving this color. Tell me guys what you think about this color. Super cute. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. I appreciate for all you guys' support, watching me and subscribing, supporting me through this journey. I'm back and I'm better. Be doing more content for you guys. So stay on the lookout. Stay tuned. Thanks. So yeah, we got a 1-year-old son, and he's gonna be 2 in July. My baby, my heart, my everything. I am a mommy, so I got a career. I'm a wife, and I'm a mother, and I'm a YouTuber. So yeah, we just, we're doing it all. My husband, he a rapper. Go check out his music, Foggy Guy Sala. Go check him out. He got videos out, so go check him out. I'll probably put his link in the description below, so you can go check out his music and go comment and subscribe to his channel as well, because he's gonna be dropping more music for everybody. And yeah, so we doing it. 2021, motivated more than ever. Just out here trying to do our thing, live our life, be happy, black love, married couple. I'm out here being a social worker, working with foster youth and making sure my clients are safe. And we're just, your normal couple, just living in the Bay Area. So yeah, like, comment, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Subscribe. I need more subscribers. No, but yeah, if you wanna, see us more and hang out and join the family, please subscribe. Comment, like. That helps out my videos get seen. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, and I hope you guys like this video and like, share. Bye.